Yeah, not bad. Ah. No. Yes. Yes! Let's get him! No! Hooray! Hey, pump it up! Way to go, knucklehead! Whoa!
All right! Okay! Whoa! Yeah!
Oh, yeah! This is happening! Hey, hey, hey! All right, Tails! Hey, Tails, you made it! Come on! What's up? See you later, Tails! Hurry up, Tails! Hooray!
All right! I did it, Sonic! All right, I did it! Cool. Trains are cool too. Hey, Sonic! Long time no see, huh? Sound test. You get to listen to cool sounds.
Oh no! 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 Oh no!
Location. Place of creation. Check. Is that all you got? Good enough. Whoa! Run! What's he got there?
This is happening! Just remember, no fighting! This makes me feel like a rat. Adventure mode. You start your adventure here. I guess Eggman's got one of them, but the other one's safe. Okay, whatever you say. Way to go, knucklehead! I don't think I'm dreaming here. Huh? No way, Tails! What's this place? Eggman! I give up. She's so weird. Hey guys, what's up?
Ta-da! I forgot something. Weird. Now where was I? That's Eggman. I wonder what happened to Sonic. Oops.
Cool.
No time for games, Sonic. The same one I saw on my island. What? I'm back in front of the altar. You guys go. Something's happened to the Master Emerald. I've got to get this island airborne again. Give me the emeralds you have, right now! This place reminds me of home. Wonder why?
Give it your best shot!
Didn't I see a green-colored stone somewhere?
Cool.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Woohoo! 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 Woohoo!